Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in Asana. This is an incredibly useful system for organizing your content pipeline, tracking what stage each piece is in, and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks when you're managing multiple platforms and deadlines. Let's start by opening Asana. Once you're in, look for the plus button in the sidebar and click it. From the options that appear, select New Project, then choose Blank Project. This gives you a clean slate to build your content calendar exactly how you need it. Next, you'll be prompted to name your project. Type something clear like content calendar, so your team knows exactly what this workspace is for. You'll also need to select a layout. Asana offers list, board, and calendar views. And the beauty is you can switch between them anytime. For now, choose whichever feels most natural to you, then click Create Project. Now comes the important part, structuring your workflow. Click Add Section to create columns that represent different stages of your content process. I recommend setting up 5 key stages. First is Ideas, where you'll capture all your brainstorming and potential content concepts. Next is To Write, for content that's approved and ready to be created. Then to Edit, where drafts go for review and refinement. After that, to Schedule, for content that's finalized and waiting to be posted. Finally, Published, where completed content lives for tracking and reference. These stages create a visual pipeline that shows exactly where each piece of content sits in your production process. With your sections in place, click Add Task in whichever section you want to start with. Type the content title as your task name, something clear like Instagram Reel 5 Productivity Tips, so everyone knows what it is at a glance. Click into the task and you'll see the due date field. Click it to set your publishing date. This keeps your entire team aligned on deadlines and helps you visualize your posting schedule. Here's where Asana really shines. Click the plus icon near the column header or click Customize at the top right of your project. This lets you add custom fields that are specific to content planning. Add a field called Platform and create options like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Then add another field called Content Type with options like Reels and Shorts. These fields make it easy to filter and sort your content later. Use the description field within each task to add your notes, outlines, or any important details like target keywords or creative direction. Then click the Assignee field to assign the task to whoever's responsible for creating it. This creates clear ownership and accountability. Repeat this process for all your planned content pieces, building out your entire calendar. Once you've got tasks created, switch to the calendar view using the project view switcher at the top. This gives you a beautiful visual overview of your content organized by publish date. As work progresses, simply drag and drop tasks from one column to the next to update their status. Moving a task from To Write to Edit instantly shows your team that the draft is ready for review. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.